how to find hide transactions settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find hide transaction settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click this settings icon. After that click settings here, scroll down until you find messaging, and once you're here then all you need to do just scroll down all the way down until you find hide transactions. Here is it. You can turn it off or on easy and quick, and that's it. I hope that can help you to fix your problem, and see you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.